Hey everyone and welcome. If you're looking to transfer your money directly from PayPal over to Cash App, you might have noticed there isn't a direct Send to Cash App button in either app, but worry not, you can easily link them together using your Cash App routing and account numbers. Let me show you the process step by step. So firstly, we need to locate your Cash App virtual banking details so PayPal knows where to send the funds. So open up your Cash App, tap the Money tab, which is the icon on the far left. Scroll down and tap on Account and Routing Numbers. It's going to look something like this, guys. You'll find it. Here you'll see your unique routing number and account number. So keep this screen open or copy both numbers to your clipboard. As you can see, two of them. Then, guys, let's link those Cash App account details directly into your PayPal accounts. So open a PayPal app and tap on Wallet. Tap the plus icon next to Banks and Cards and select Banks. When prompted to select your bank, choose Link your bank manually. Enter the routing number and account number you copied from Cash App and confirm the link. And also, guys, don't forget that PayPal may send 2 micro deposits to confirm the link if instant authorization isn't available. And then you're pretty much getting to the end. Once linked, initiating the payout takes just a few seconds. Go to your PayPal screen, to your PayPal balance, tap Transfer Money, then choose Transfer to your bank, select your newly linked Cash App bank account, enter the amount you want to withdraw, and tap Transfer Now. And standard transfers are 100% free and typically arrive to your Cash App balance within 1 to 3 business days. That is it. Enjoy, guys.